Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at Enders State Forest here in Granby, Connecticut. We're going to do some hiking to some waterfalls. That's what we're getting into right now before the thunderstorms come. Let's get in the woods. Let's have a little fun. Check out all this green, folks. Yep, none of this in Connecticut, or none of this in Florida, rather. Sorry. Still kind of working on a few hours sleep. Took me a few days to get here to Connecticut, but I made it. About 1,200 miles or so or more. So you can kind of go up that road to small little sit-in basins. Water runs all along down over here. You can see the water from here. Let's get to the falls. I mean, just look at this excellent forest. Look at all this. And the falls are all incorporated to it. More steps down there, trail. We're gonna go check it out. Well guys, so far I think I've got some pretty cool video of the falls. We're walking down some steps here and try to capture some mini falls. See what that comes about. So as you can see, this stream here inside Enders runs a bit, even with these falls. Keeps on going. This is just amazing out here. It really is. I just talked to a hiker. She's from Texas. She's here on business, and she's actually going to be heading to Boston. And every time she's in New England, she tries to find cool places to check out. So today she's hiking Enders. All right, everybody. What a nice little hike. Good waterfalls. Feels good to be back. Feels good to see nature in its own beauty. I hope you liked this adventure. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Like, subscribe to the channel. Appreciate all my subscribers. Love you all dearly. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, hit that notification bell. Subscribe. We'll see all of you on the next adventure. Take care, everybody. Take care.